In this activity, we're going to be building a grandfather clock as shown in the PDF file. So it is a shaker clock that was constructed in the 1790s, and we have an isometric view and some details, and we also have a cut list, which is very handy. So we can go ahead and zoom in on this cut list and take a look at it. And you'll notice that we have some sections for this. So we're going to start with the body of this. So first thing we'll do is get our AutoCAD open. And when you have AutoCAD open, let's make sure we're working in the 3D modeling. And then come down to the bar on the right, go to the settings, and make sure that your object snap is at the endpoint, midpoint, and center. And let's go ahead and get ourselves in a front view. And we'll go to the 2D wireframe. And so let's go ahead to our cut list and we'll start making the clock. Alright, so we're going to start with the back, and if you look on the cut list you'll see where the back is, and it's 79.5 inches, and it says the body is number C. So let's go ahead and double check that. Now the nice thing about this PDF is it actually has the components broken down here. And so if you look right here, it says the back is 79.5 and by 10 and 7/8. So let's go ahead and construct that in AutoCAD. Let's make sure we're in the front view, and we'll select the rectangle, and let's go ahead and we'll type that in. So I'll go ahead and select the rectangle, type in 0, 0, enter, and then the X is 10.75, which would be 10.875, comma, and then 79.5, so that's 79.5, and press enter. And I can just go ahead to the front view and it'll center it for me. Zoom out a little bit by scrolling my mouse, and I'll type in extrude, or I can select the icon above. Select the object, and it's a 1/2 inch. Press enter, type in 0.5, and then I can look at it in a 3D view, make sure that I've actually done that. So we'll go shaded, and let's look at the Southwest isometric, and there we have it. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is we're going to build the sides. Again, you want to confirm this at the sides here, and it says it's actually A, and I can look at the dimensions, and I can also just go off this cut list. So we'll do the sides now. So it's going to be 67 by 6.5. Let's go ahead and get ourselves, let's go to the either left or the right. I'll go to the right view here. Now you notice that the coordinate is showing that it's to the front, so we'll have to move this. But let's go ahead and I like to start at 0, 0. It makes my life much easier. And then the side is 6.5 inches, so 6.5 by 67 inches. And then press enter. Again, let's go ahead and extrude this object. So I'll select it on the icon from the ribbon above, select the object, press enter, and then type in 0.5. Let's look at this in 3D. Alright, so right now it's, if I would look at the top, it's actually not, it's going the opposite direction. I want that to come to the front. So what we'll do is we'll go back to the Southwest isometric. And it actually might be easier if I did this in the 2D wireframe. I'm going to go ahead and move this. So I'll just type in M or type in move and press enter. I'll select the object, press enter. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this. And I will take the corner and I will put it to the corner of the back. And if I look at the top view, I will see there. Now let's go ahead while we're here and type in mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Press enter. Select the object. Press enter. And you'll see a triangle. Now if that triangle does not appear, it's because the settings for the midpoint of the object snap have not been selected. So go ahead and select the triangle, come down or up, and press enter. It defaults to no. Do I want to delete the first one? No. And there it is. Look at it in 3D in a shaded with edges. Okay, so we're moving along.